Hi, my name is Carl Young. Welcome to Truck Smart. This is a brand new 2024 Isuzu Npr Hd with a 14-foot Rockport utility body. It says a 6.6 liter gas V8 engine and a full walk-in Rockport utility. Inside, you'll find power steering, power brakes, power windows, power locks, cruise, tilt, and telescopic steering column, automatic transmission, and a backup camera, as well as keyless entry for the truck and keyless remote central locking for the utility. This is a 14-foot walk-in Rockport utility body. It has 4 cabinets on both sides, including this double one in the front, adjustable shelves, galvanized hardware, really first-class paddle latches. Insides of the cabinets are lined. The truck in the back has a Chicago-style step bumper, which makes in and out really easy when you got your arms full of tools. The truck was built with a hitch. You have recessed ladder to access the ladder racks on the roof. It has a split 60/40 double rear door. Inside the truck, you'll find generous 6'6" headroom, 4 adjustable shelves on both sides, and I love this feature. You can actually access the outer cabinets from inside the truck, which most utility bodies do not do. This has a hardwood plywood floor underneath the rubber floor. So come in and take this beauty for a test drive here at our 7-acre lot and our 21,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility. My name is Carl Young. My number is 215-946-7221. I'm here every day. Thank you so much.